Welcome guys. If you don't know how to charge the OnePlus Buds Pro wirelessly, or you just wonder if this device just supports this technology, I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, you have to remember to simply put back this earbuds to the case. You can also try to remove this foil to be sure that they are sticking to these pins. Close the case and then put it on the wireless charging in this place. Take a look. When you make it, this indicator will turn to the red. It means that the battery level of the case is under the 50%. When it goes above 50%, it will turn to the green, but it will be still charging. When you take it off, as you can see, after a few moments this icon disappear. I mean this LED light disappear, and right now it's not turned on. One more time. That's very simple, as you can see. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.